Hello everyone, welcome back to virtual class. As you can see on screen, today we are going to start spreadsheet chapter. In spreadsheet, we are going to learn how we can keep record of datas. Let's start now. Today we are going to learn definition of spreadsheet, examples of spreadsheet, advantages of spreadsheet, disadvantages of spreadsheet, features of spreadsheet, applications of spreadsheet, and one of the example which is commonly used nowadays, that is Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn some window component of Microsoft Excel. Let's start from spreadsheet definition. A spreadsheet is an electronic document in which data is arranged in the rows and columns of a grid and can be manipulated and used in calculations. When we open spreadsheet, we get predefined rows and columns. Another definition is a spreadsheet is a file that exists of cells in rows and columns and can help arrange, calculate, and sort data. When we work with spreadsheet, then we have to keep something in mind, that is, data in a spreadsheet can be numeric values as well as text, formulas, references, and functions. Now let us move to main page. Now we are going to open example page. Microsoft Excel is the most commonly used spreadsheet. It is famous spreadsheet. Another one is Google Sheet of recent days. Nowadays, Google Sheet is highly used. iWork numbers, LibreOffice, Lotus 123 was spreadsheet few years back, but it is not used nowadays. Now, Lotus Symphony is used. OpenOffice CALC, in short, we call it OOCALC or OOCalc. VisiCalc, which is also not in use nowadays. Now let us move to main page. Now we are moving toward advantages of spreadsheet. Spreadsheet help us in organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in perfect way. The greatest advantage of spreadsheet is automatic recalculation. When we work with some formulas, then when we change some constant values, then dependent values automatically changed at that time. This feature is called automatic recalculation. So automatic recalculation help user to change data and it will automatically change the dependent value. So calculations is very easy with spreadsheet. Linking related data in different worksheets. Spreadsheet consists of more than one worksheet and we can enter data according to our choice, and spreadsheet provide us facility to link data from one worksheet to another worksheet in the same file, or it may be in different file. Now, simple database management. Some small organizations can keep their database in spreadsheet, but larger database management are not possible with spreadsheet. For that, we need another database management software like MS Access, SQL Server, Oracle, etc. Easy to use functions and to create own formulas for calculations. While using spreadsheet, if we need some formulas, then we can type formula by ourselves, or we can use the functions which is already provided by spreadsheet. Now let us move to disadvantage. Proper training is required to use spreadsheet. If we are not trained, then we cannot use all the features of spreadsheet. Managing and reviewing large spreadsheets are not easy. It's a bit difficult task. Hard to manage data security, as spreadsheet does not provide high security system, so it is very difficult to manage secure data. For it, now let us move to features of spreadsheet. Predefined rows and columns. Spreadsheet provide us predefined rows and columns, so we don't have to create rows and columns or table by ourselves. Use of functions and formulas. This is the greatest advantage of spreadsheet, that spreadsheet has got predefined functions, and some of the formulas which we need we can type by ourselves, and we can use those formulas whenever we need in the database. Automatic recalculation. As I mentioned you in the features, advantage, we can recalculate the values without making any changes on the formulas. When we change some constant values, then the dependent values will be automatically changed. Multiple worksheet. Spreadsheet consists of more than one worksheet. By default, there are 3 worksheets, and if we want to add more worksheets, we can add as many worksheets as we need. Linking related data in different worksheets. So we can enter data in different worksheet, and we can link each data from one worksheet to another worksheet within the file. Pivot table. It is very easy to create pivot table using spreadsheet. And we can print our data easily. Now, some applications of spreadsheet. We can use spreadsheet for result analysis and printing. We can use spreadsheet for budget and annual report preparation, salary sheet preparation by any organization, sales analysis and report preparation, for creating income statement, loan analysis, tax statement, etc. Now we are moving to one of the example of spreadsheet, which is mostly used nowadays, that is Microsoft Excel. Now let us talk about the definition of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a packaged application software designed by Microsoft company for manipulation of data in tabular form. So using Microsoft, we can organize our data in tabular form because there is predefined rows and columns. We don't need to create table by ourselves. And data entry is very easy. Microsoft Excel provides all the facilities we need for our record keeping. So for small organizations, we can keep database management with the help of Microsoft Excel. And Microsoft Excel is designed by Microsoft company especially for calculation and data management or manipulation system. Now let us talk about the Excel window. Excel window looks like same as in the figure. This is Excel 2007. At top you can see title bar, where you can see name of the worksheet or workbook, name of the program at the center. Then you can see some control icons like minimize, maximize and close button at right hand side of the window. Then quick access toolbars at the left hand side. Just side at the quick access toolbar, here is office button, which help you to save your file or to open new workbook, previously saved workbook, etc. Then below below title bar, you can see ribbon, which consists of different tools according to our requirement. Below ribbon, you can see name box, which is also known as address bar, and a long bar called formula bar. In name box, we can see the location of cell which is selected, or we can say address of a cell which is selected, the address of a selected or active cell. And in formula bar, we can see either the typed data or typed formula. Then below formula bar and address bar, we can see ABCD letters there. Those letters are called column header, and each letter indicate each column, or each letter represent each column. That's why they are known as column header. And at the left hand side, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Those numbers represent row. Each number represent each row, and they are known as row header. So the alphabets at top are column header, and numbers at left hand side are row header. We need column header and row header to indicate each cell. Each cell has got their own cell address, which is referred by column header followed by row header. For example, here is one highlighted cell. This is known as home cell and the first cell of a worksheet. That is, it belongs to A column and row number 1. So its address is A1. We write column header first, and column header will be followed by row number. So A1. That's why we need column header and row header to represent a cell. Then we can find out any cell by clicking on it. When we click on that cell, we can see its cell address at name box or address bar. Also, we can see the highlighted column and highlighted row. When we select a cell, the particular column where we have selected will be highlighted, and the particular row number where we have selected will be highlighted. By that highlighting, we can say particular column header followed by particular row header. For example, cell H has been selected here. That selected cell H15A is our selected cell where the column header of H letter is highlighted and column row header 15 number is highlighted. So we can say that this cell belongs to H15. So its address is H15. Now, here is worksheet navigation to move worksheet right and left. You can see here sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. These are 3 different sheets by default available in spreadsheet. If we want to rename it, we can rename it, as well as if we want to add more worksheets, then we can right click on sheet tab and insert more worksheets, and we can rename it as well. Here is a status bar at the last of the window. Then some tab page views are here, and we can get scroll bars also at right hand side and bottom. The right hand side scroll bar is for scrolling page up and down, and at bottom there is scroll bar to scroll page right and left. So this is the window of Excel 2007. Now, here are some components which we should know in Microsoft Excel. They are title bar, ribbon, formula bar, status bar, workbook, worksheet, cell, active cell, block, constant value, dependent value, and formulas. Now we will read in detail about this. Before that, we must be able to open Excel program. Let's see how will we open. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to open Excel in easy way. First of all, you have to press Windows plus R key together. Hold Windows key and press R key together. Then you'll see this window. This is called Run window. In Run window, type EXCEL, Excel, and press Enter or click on OK button. Then you'll see Excel window here. Thank you. Now start using Excel. Okay, this much for today. Remaining portion will be continued in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video.